Okay, I greet everybody. Um, we don't see the court case. We don't see how the ruling go today. It's just so unfortunate that so many people will be able still they believe that justice some way somehow will come out for Nnamdi Kanu. Now, look at everything about this Nnamdi Kanu and ask yourself, what is this justice that is coming out? How and where is it going to come out from? Before our very eyes, so many terrorists has been reintegrated, employed, accepted. Some are even on a monthly allowance. Some are placed on monthly allowances. We even saw one some 2 weeks ago shouting in the name of coming for reconciliation, or what do you call it? Amnesty. We see how he blasted. And we are still waiting. Today, the ruling is that the Nnamdi Kanu lawyers should go and they bring evidence that he was extraordinarily rendition, despite Nigeria being aware of the court ruling from Kenya. Despite Nigeria, Omotocho, you see, people know they like the truth. That's why nobody listens to me. When Omotosho accepted Mazen Nnamdi Kanu to rule or to judge or to carry out Mazen Nnamdi Kanu case, I said something. If you follow me, when this man accepted to carry out this case, I said that nothing good will come out better than what we have witnessed before. Because this man is a man who have been freeing terrorists in the north in the name of repentant bandit. He freed them. He give conditions that they should be paid allowance. This Omotosho, go and watch his profile. He is the man that have accepted to rule, to judge, to carry out anything about. And the people are comfortable. I'm even surprised that the lawyers of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu are surprised at the ruling. What evidence do you need? Even a fool knows that you are being tossed like a tennis ball and you cannot see it. It's a shame and pity that we dey here. You no go get anything better than what you have already gotten. Someone Ekpa came out, una mumu ndị iberibe dịka unu eje gbaa aka ebe ọkwụnụ si unu ndị IPOB. Gịnị ka unu megoro? What have you done to free this man that is suffering here, dying slowly? What have you done? All you could do is to come out on the social media. If anything happened to Nnamdi Kanu, you cannot do anything for him now that he's alive. You are waiting for him to die before you do something. Fools and criminals everywhere. Were you not the same IPOB who were posting, retweeting, making comments, dropping statements in Mazen Nnamdi Kanu's accounts, both Twitter and Instagram and so on, why he was being held down by Nigeria in Kenya for 8 days? You were posting that everything was okay. Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is the one. You know Mazen Nnamdi Kanu was taken away. You hid it from Biafrans. Today you are crying. You know, you went all the way to Finland to testify against him. You went all the way to Finland in group, including the so-called woman that called herself Uchechi. Onye die no ọ na-eme plastic surgery. Ihe na-eme gị. Uchechi, plastic surgery. Shameless people. You have gotten to his judgment. I talk wait. The one here waiting go come out for Simon Ekpa own. Then they know how to shape. Because they are only scared of one man, Simon Ekpa. Nigeria is scared of only one man, Simon Ekpa. But it's quite unfortunate, say we dey here. Look at the health. Just look at the NNAMDI KANU today. That same NNAMDI KANU that will come to court, even despite his ailment, his health situation, his health condition, he used to come to court pretending that living, you will not know that everything is not okay because he have hope. When Simon was there, today Simon is not there, no hope again. Ask yourself, what are you doing? Ihe na-emegbu unu niile. Ihe na-emegbu unu. You think it is about fighting Simon Ekpa. You see, what people don't understand is that anybody that has stood against Simon, that have stood, all of you that have gathered, that are speaking against Simon Ekpa. Simon Ekpa is doing everything, duplicating NNAMDI KANU. But you heard Simon Ekpa said, what I am doing has nothing to do with NNAMDI KANU, has nothing to do with IPOB. I have nothing to do with IPOB. He said it in the open. Yet, una gather una self, ran to Finland to testify against him that he is a terrorist. The same way a journalist from Finland came to Nigeria. Una gather together. The one called himself a more powerless, a more quiz, a more jaw. Called the journalist to tell him that Simon Ekpa is not an IPOB member. Instead of telling the journalist how NNAMDI KANU was kidnapped from Kenya. Instead of telling the journalist or Finnish journalist how NNAMDI KANU was kidnapped from Kenya and the Ext.Ordinary Rendition to Nigeria. And they have been denied the justice as at them for 3 years. He started telling him how Simon Ekpa is a criminal. Simon Ekpa is not talking for Igbos. Simon Ekpa is not speaking for Biafrans. You see? Do you see yourself? Shameless. What are you doing now? Where and what are you doing? Where are you going to enter next? What next step are you taking? What is the next? All these are the reason why I decided to stay offline. Because everything is just irritating.